Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. So we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of x, we have number 1. First derivative of x squared, we have 2x. This one we have 1 minus 4x dx. So this one we change by u. This one we change by du. The integration of this one, we have u to the power of 4 over 4, and I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. So I will put this one to change for you. This is the end. Thank you for watching.